नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बेटिया। डिजिटल सेशन 2.0 जेबीएन डॉक्टर मीनाक्षी सोनी, फैकल्टी ऑफ होम्योपैथिक साइंस, ज्योति विद्यापीठ, वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर। Today's topic is Kant concept of totality and its use in clinical practice, part 1. Totality of symptom is all that is visible and represent the disease in the natural world to the eye, the touch, external understanding of a man. The characteristic image must be there to individualize the case as well as the drug Kant emphasized on detailed study of the sick expression of the whole person who is sick. A holistic approach to study both disease, phenomena, and drug. Kant give importance to the general symptom of the patient as it expresses the man himself. Pathological symptoms are only the end of results. Mental general, physical general, characteristic, particular, strange, rare, peculiar symptom, common symptom of disease. These are the totality as per the Kant. These may occur among mental generals or particulars, must therefore be varying importance and rank. First is mind, that is divided into will, understanding, and memory. In the will, hate, love, etc. In understanding, hallucination, delusion, etc. And in memory, absent-minded, forgetfulness, etc. are included. In the physical general, things affecting the whole body, elements from aggravation, amelioration, symptom related to the sex, appetite, desire, and aversion to food, weather, positions, food, aggravation, amelioration, reaction to the heat and cold, etc. are included. Third is particular symptom related to the parts. These must be qualified. Man is prior to organ and the home in which he lives in his body. What is expressed in the parts is always preceded by a deviation in the state of health of the person, such as deviation can be known only through expression at the general level. This is given by Dr. J.T. Kant in lectures on homeopathic philosophy. How to work out a case by Kant concept? First, differentiate the symptom, then in general and particular, common, uncommon as the Kant gives, and write out all the symptoms. First we can write down the mental, then the physical general, then particular, then common symptom, and in last if any uncommon or a keynote symptom. So this is the totality. That is, the topic is not completed. It is completed in the next part of Kant concept and its clinical use. Hope you are understand with this session. The session is powered by digital version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Hope you are satisfied with my session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.